Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to shift an automatic BMW into neutral manually. This works on pretty much most BMWs as long as it has the electronic shifter. On this particular one that I'm working on, it's a BMW 530 diesel 2014. And in order to do this, you have to go underneath the car and remove the big under tray, which exposes the gearbox. On the left hand side, as you can see, there's a small 5mm Allen key which you have to screw all the way to the top, and when you screw the Allen key all the way to the top, it pushes the lever up which shifts the car into neutral. This is a very helpful feature on BMWs. Without this feature you would not be able to move the car unless the car is running. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, just leave a thumbs up. Thank you.